Hello everyone. Hope everyone is doing well. Long time no craft for me, but I am back, and I am back with a little haul to share. This is a haul that, well, it's not really a haul, it's a kit, to be honest. So I did lie when I said I was going to do a no spend, and for the most part I did. However, once we started getting a new address, I was like, ooh, I need to go shopping just a little bit. So I did purchase a kit from Picket. And so it was, I had it on my desk here for a while. I haven't had a chance to go through it because I've been busy unpacking. As most of you might know, we moved from Alaska to Virginia because my husband was retiring and he accepted a civilian job here in Virginia. We did buy a farm. So there's the fun joys of that. We don't have any animals yet, but we're working on it. However, we did adopt a kitten, and if you hear any noise in the background, it's because she found a piece of paper on the floor and she's having fun. So she is a kitten. She's about 4 months old. Her name is Serena. I call her Crackhead because in the mornings she is just all over the place, zooming up and down. She's got massive zoomies. Anyways. That's not what you're here for. You're here for a share. So I bought one of the kits from Picket. And then I bought one other die. But I ended up with 2 free gifts, which was pretty awesome. One of the gifts was this sequin mix. Oops, as I fling it around because my cat's scaring me. Spiked Ocean Water is what it's called. But I love, excuse me for the froggy voice, I love the container that it's in. Like, I don't have to buy another container for this. This is well contained. So this is pretty cool. I'm not going to open it here on camera, but as I lose one piece. But, I mean, that's pretty cool. Anyways, I got that. And then I got this little background stamp called A Witch's Dream as a free gift. And this measures, let's see, it's not a very big stamp, but I really like it though. And it looks like it'll cover about little over maybe 3.5. So it's probably like, honestly, it's a 4x4 stamp, but the images cover about a little less than 4x4. But it's super cute with the cats, the witch, the pumpkin, and the little skulls and the bats. It's just, and then you got little creepy hands down here, which is cute. So that looks like that might be a fun technique to try. So I purchased this. It's called the Woodsy Forest die, and I got it because it was so versatile. I mean, it could be creepy, it could be wintry, it could be spring, summery. It just too much to do with. So it was definitely a good, there was a lot of good examples. So I was super excited about that one. Sorry, it's been a while since I've done videos, so I'm tongue-tied more than I've ever been. So you'll have to forgive me. So the kit came in one of these little containers, which is, I mean, you could never go wrong with these containers. I love them. I use them to organize my scraps. So with this kit, and this is a whole kit. I didn't purchase anything else except for just that one die I just showed you, but this was all one kit. And I think it's still available. So with the kit, you get a sequence mix. Like, oh, that is so cool. Look at all those little, you see little spider webs? Oh, they're so cute. I don't know the name of this. It doesn't have a name. But it's got like little witch's hats, sequins in there, spider webs, just a fun array of colors. So that's cool. What else did we get? Paper glitz. Ooh, that's pretty. It's called Spooky Flight. That is really pretty. I'm not going to open it because I don't have any press and seal. So one of the things that's on my shopping list that I keep forgetting. What's this one? This one is Enhancer, Paper Glaze Enhancer, Spooky Flight. I have no idea what that is, so we're gonna have to research that. How exciting. But what does it mean by enhancer? So if y'all know what that is, let me know. Otherwise, I'm gonna Google that and find out what that is. We also got, looks like some inks. So maybe the enhancer I can color with some inks. Oh, cool. All right, so alcohol inks. I don't have any. So I am excited for this. We've got lettuce and meadow. So I'm wondering, oh, that would be fun to like color these and make everything creepy. Because look, you get palette knife, so that's got, oh, that's gonna be so much, oh, we're gonna get dirty. All right, so the first stamp I got that comes in this kit is called All Trespassers Will Be Added to the Brew. I don't know if you can see it. It comes with a coordinating die. But look at him. Oh my goodness, he is just gorgeous. With a little creepy house, and you got all these things like perfectly wicked together. Broom hair don't care. Hello, hey boo. Happy Halloween. All trespassers will be added to the brew. Happy Halloween. Boo y'all. Trick or treat, witches. So that is pretty cool. He is awesome. He's a little pumpkin head. Reminds me of that horror movie. Remember Pumpkinhead back in the 80s? Loved as a kid. So there's that's part of the kit. And then there's this cool stamp set, which is called a Spooky Flight, with all these beautiful butterfly images and just fun words like fun, night, spooky, and Halloween. And it comes with a coordinating die. So every stamp in this kit comes with a coordinating die, which for the price was phenomenal. But this is the one that sold it for me because I love her. She is gorgeous. And of course, coordinating die. But this is, excuse me, this one's called A Wee Bit Wicked. So lots of fun sayings here. Life is always more fun. Being the wicked witch than the helpless princess. Some days you have to put on the hat to remind them who you're dealing with. Witches don't wait for karma. Let's ride. A witch's hat so stiff and high, watch it fly by. A Halloween hello. See, happy Halloween. Happy October 31st. Just a wee bit wicked. It is Halloween season. I'm afraid a good witch is on vacation. That's cute. If the hat fits, be sure to buy many shoes and brooms to match. So she looks like she's gonna be fun to color. Either watercolor or Copic, doesn't matter. But I'm gonna have fun with this. Then you get this slimline Carnival Time stencil. That is kind of cool. So that's gonna be exciting to do a little background. So, yeah, here it's called a Spooky Flight exclusive kit, and it gives you everything that comes along with it. And then of course, it comes with some examples. Like, look at her, isn't she beautiful? Love it. And he's just, so gorgeous, so much fun. And then in here, I don't want to rip the tissue paper because, I mean, reuse that. Oh, that's some cardstock. All right, nice. So you get black, orange. Ooh. What is that? Okay, we'll have to come back to that in a minute. Orange, pink, purple. Ooh, a pretty green. A darker purple, and then a gray. And they're nice, heavy. I would, maybe they are 110. Hold on, let me look. 7 sheets of My Colors cardstock, 8.5 by 11. So you got black suede, battleship gray, crisp green, candied yams, purple hearts, cyber grape, and a watermelon pink. So those are the colors. So that's cool. I mean, they're pretty good and thick. I mean, I wouldn't make a card base with them, but yeah, those are nice. So there's that. And then I don't know what these are. Oh, they're 4A2 UPO card fronts. I've never had these before, so this will be exciting. I've heard people talk about it, but I've never actually seen it. So this is gonna be fun. Anyways, so that was in this kit. And it, like, the price was like perfect for everything that you get here. It was phenomenal. Because nowadays, the price of the kit, most companies sell for just the die, the coordinating die, which is ridiculous. But anyways, so super excited. I'm loving their images. I will probably definitely buy from Picket Fence again because they do have some beautiful images. I just don't know why I never pulled the trigger. So there's that. But anyways, I will see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.